Good morning everyone. We are going to start our 9th class lecture on the topic atmospheric pressure. As you all know that we have already finished our previous exercise, that is 4A, in which we have done about the Pascal's law and its applications. Now today we are going to start with atmospheric pressure and its measurement. First of all, what is atmospheric pressure? We will discuss about it. एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर क्या है? एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर की डेफिनेशन इज द थ्रस्ट एक्सर्टेड पर यूनिट एरिया ऑन अर्थ सरफेस ड्यू टू कॉलम ऑफ एयर. एज वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन दैट द थ्रस्ट पर यूनिट एरिया, thrust over area is equals to pressure. So it means if air on us exerts the pressure on the earth is known as atmospheric pressure, as our air is known as atmosphere, and if it is atmosphere, the pressure exerted by the atmosphere is known as atmospheric pressure. What is the amount of atmospheric pressure which we feel? Weight of air column over area is 1 centimeter square is equals to 1 kilogram force. We know that pressure is equals to thrust over area. If it is thrust over area, we know that thrust is equals to force over area, and force of anything which is in downward direction is weight of the body. So weight of air column over the area of 1 centimeter square is 1 kgf. It means it is very directly clear that 1 kgf is thrust, 1 centimeter square is the area. So our atmospheric pressure exerted on us is 1 kgf per centimeter square. If we want to convert both of these units in SI units, kgf is going to be converted into Newton, whereas centimeter square is going to be converted into meter square. So you know very well that 1 kgf is equals to 10 Newton and 1 centimeter square is equals to 1 by 100 into 100 meter square. So it's very clear, 10 Newton divided by 10 raised to power 4 minus 4, because it is in denominator. So it's already in denominator, so its power is 10 over 10 raised to power minus 4. So it is being written over here. When we shift this 10 raised to power 4 in upward direction or make it is numerator, the power which is negative, it is being converted into positive power, and it is changes into 10 into 10 raised to power 4 Newton per meter square. So 4 plus 1 is 5, so it's 10 raised to power 5. So the atmospheric pressure which we feel on our body is, हमारी बॉडी के ऊपर जो एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर फील होता है, जो बॉडी का मोस्ट प्रोबेबली जो एरिया है दैट इज 1 मीटर स्क्वायर, अगर उसको कंसिडर करते हैं तो हमारे ऊपर जो प्रेशर एक्सर्ट होगा दैट इज 10 रेज़्ड टू पावर 5 न्यूटन. तो इससे हम डायरेक्टली निकाल सकते हैं कि हमारी बॉडी का सरफेस एरिया कितना है. हमारा एवरेज सरफेस एरिया जो ह्यूमन बॉडी का है दैट इज 2 मीटर स्क्वायर. If the average surface area of the human body is 2 meter square, so atmospheric pressure or thrust you are calculating, the thrust is 2 into 10 raised to power 5. How it comes? We know from the formula, thrust over area. So pressure is 10 raised to power 5, area is 2. It means directly force is equals to, or thrust is equals to 2 into 10 raised to power 5. So I have written over here 2 is into 10 raised to power 5 Newton is the atmospheric thrust, not the pressure. Thrust, pressure is 10 raised to power 5 Newton per meter square. So this is the thrust, or this is the pressure which we feel by our atmosphere on our human body. This is a tremendous expression or a tremendous value which we have on our head, but it is not being felt by us. Reason is our blood pressure. हमारी बॉडी का जो ब्लड प्रेशर है दैट इज इक्वल टू atmospheric pressure, hence our body is not going to feel this big amount of pressure. हमारी बॉडी के अंदर वाला जो प्रेशर है that is also same as that of the atmospheric pressure. They balance each other, hence our body does not feel the atmospheric pressure. So there is one demonstration, there is one explanation regarding the same, that is collapsing of tin can experiment. How it is going to work, we are going to discuss it next.